We are all already ready. Yeah. Okay, well, the thunderstorm is going to start in 3, 2. Oh, that was more quick. Never mind, it is more quick. It came more quick today. And we were already ready. I'm not going outside. Hey kids, why are you pushing me? I'm almost going to fall down. Oops, sorry. It's okay, kids. Oops, it's not your fault. What are these super pesky birds up to now? Let's find out. Yahoo! Into the bird city we go. It's thunderstorming, so they better not come out. Let's take shelter. What is that noise? I don't know. Maybe it's just imagination. Yeah. Oh yeah, it could be that. Ow! Help! Oh no! He's way too far for us to reach. What do we do? Let's make a plan. Okay, done. No lightning coming. What are those kids up to? Maybe they're playing just. Oh, there's a lightning bolt coming. Quick! Gotcha. Thanks for saving me. You're welcome. Help. Oh no. She's way far. That's more far than people. That's very far. Let's get her. Let's make another new plan. Okay. Yes, done. Gotcha! Wait, sister! Come before the lightning bolt strikes you. Don't worry. Oh no, it's a flood! What? There's no flood. I see. Super baby feather shields. Whoa. That was awesome. Wait. Achoo. Help. That's way farther than these both penguin pinga. It's too far for us to reach. I got a plan. We all have the plan. The same plan. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Yeah, I'm thinking what I'm thinking. Yeah, I think what you're thinking. Me too. Push. Okay. Let's do this. Help. Don't worry, we got you, Mr. Pigeon. are you kids doing? You'll see. Okay, now grab my tail. Brother. Okay, I am sister. Grab my tail. Pinga. What are you doing? Grab my tail, Pingu. Big brother. Okay, I will. Now, pull. More. Pull. Wait, it's working. Wait. Ow. Oh, and a little more. Yes. I think we got her in. Wait, let me pull her a little. Everybody, beside. Incoming, Mr. Pigeon. It's not a girl, it's a boy. Thanks, little one. Oh no, you're in the thunderstorm now. Oh, ow. There. Bird crystal, take my powers back. Wait. Let's wait for the wave. Yes, it's here. Let's go. Push, push, push. Oh, you already found the father sister. Okay, me too. Let me come. Push, push. Let me come. Push, 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 push. Me too. Push, push, push. Time to come outside and watch over the kids. Let's come out. Today we will not walk. Today is a walking holiday, okay, Chicky? Yeah, okay. I'm tired of all the struggling. Oh yeah, I forgot. Just forgot. Let me bring the incubator. I hope I didn't clutch the egg. Oh yeah, it's just right there. Okay, flashlight on. Okay, there it is. Flashlight off. Let's move it here. It's still there, I guess. I think. I don't see it. Oh yeah, there it is. Now flashlight off. Oh, it's so bright. Phew. Okay, green parrot, you can come out. Okay, I am already coming out, pink parrot. Great rain. Yeah, that's what I call rain-tastic. Get it? Rain-tastic. Good one. Okay, now stop laughing. Yeah. Thanks for reminding me, green parrot. You're welcome. Let's go. Yeah. Let's go. A little bit more struggling. Oh, am I struggling like Chicky? Okay, there. Yeah, that's what I call non-struggling. There. Oh, that's what I call slip-tastic. Another good one from Swan. Well, let's search more Touch Me Not plant. Let's do it. Oh, there's another dry leaf. Oh, there's another dry leaf of Touch Me Not. Oh, I smell a Touch Me Not. Oh, I think I'm very close to it. Found it almost. Yes, found it. Yeah. Well, let's come out. I'm just going to look on guard. Let me see through the CCTV camera. Okay. Looks like everything is fine. No villains, no nothing is outside the bird city. Oh, I was piled up in there. I was just like a squishy, all squished up by my friends. I can't believe that happened. Yeah. Me come through the roof. There. That's red parrot style. Let me come through the roof as red parrot. That he came now. Hoopla! I'm a great jumper. Uh-oh. Ah! Phew. Ah! Oh, not again. Phew, I got you just in time again. Ow! Never mind. Ow. Never mind. Ow. They keep falling. They're like Touch Me Not plants. Hey, stop laughing at others. Ooh, yeah, sorry. It's okay. Let me come out. Why am I up here? Let me go down. Okay. I forgot. I have been not remembering. I have not remembered this for a long time, and I have not done this. But let's do my, ninja moves. Hiya! Woo! Yeah! Woo! Yes! Yeah! Woo! Let me go out. That more looks like me to karate. Okay, baby, let's continue practicing. Not again. Come on, baby. Father. Oh, I'm bored. What do we have to do? Do like this? Like this. Then do like this. And then shake. Great. Now let's try that again. Yeah, do like this. Upward. Yeah, there. Okay. Yeah. Well, they're learning. Let's go. Above the clouds. And never mind. Phew. At least I'm with my friend now. With my friends now. Time to surprise them. Now the rain has already come. Let's surprise them. Okay, let's go. They are not watching me now. They have never spotted me on those stupid CCTV cameras. Not stupid. They are very bad. I don't like them at all. And I also don't like the inventor flamingo, the leader. He's also the leader. Let's surprise him. He must be so shocked when I just appear out of nowhere. Everybody must be shocked. Ooh, I see green parrot. They must have not seen me now. Let's scare them. Boo! Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, what was that? Where did that villain come from? Oh, what villain? I don't see any villain around here. That. What that? What? Oh yeah, I now see. Oh, well, those villains, they angry me up. Let's see who it is. Ow, 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 ow. Ow, ow. Need a little help, best friend? Yep, I definitely do need Can you please just help already? Okay, let me lift you up. Now see. Oh yeah, I see him. What? Villain? Stay here, kids. Just keep playing. Okay. Others stay. I'm going to stay with you others, and I'm going to steer the bird city. Bird city, transform into the Tortuga. Okay, it's transformed. What's all the ruckus about? Nothing. Oh, I guess. Okay. Let's do a flower hunt around here. Let's find the jackpot is a rose. The target. Okay, let's find the rose and other flowers with the rose. Okay, I got the steering wheel of the Bird City Tortuga. Let's do it. What? Okay, now Bird City Tortuga light beam. What's light beam? Oh, it's that inventor here. But I can't see where I'm go. Ow! Where I am going. Ow! Where I'm go. Ow! Where I'm. Ow! 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 Okay, off. Pretty birdies flying around my head. You got me this time, you super pesky birdies. Ow. You got me dizzy around. Oh, you villains. You always make me angry. I'm angry of you too. Don't fight. That's not what superheroes should do. Oh yeah. Be calm, green parrot. Be calm. Phew. I stopped myself. Oh well. Oh no, it's a flood. What? I don't see any flood. You mean? You both go outside. Green parrot and pink parrot. Okay, got here. Flamingo. Oh no, it's a flood. I'm back with my superpowers back. Get it? Superpowers back. Alright, all funny. But I will get you. We have to stop him. But how? Oh no, he's charging horns. Ouch. Oh, how dare you do that to my friends. Green parrot wing will. Wah! Ouchie. Pretty birdie. What? You got me again? By dizziness? Oh, I'll get you, little super buddies. Ow! That's mean. Now don't ever do that again. That hurts me. Oh, blah, 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 blah. Shouldn't we not do this? We should do this in Parrot. Otherwise, he'll steal all our superpowers and the bird crystal. Yeah, I'm not going to give up. On charge! Oh no, he's going to do that again. That took us both. Ouchie. You just targeted my legs. Can you please help? No, you help first. Let me get up by myself. Okay, now let me help you. There. You both? Ow! Boo! Ouchie! Yeah. Once I finish you hitting by my by my horns, you will be bird fooded. Okay, now let's see. Cloth. Oh no, pink parrots. Ouchie. Don't do that ever to my friend. Ouchie. Anyways, I'm fine. I am born to be fine. Oh yeah? Not if we Superbird City Tortuga Wind. Well, that's a long name. Well, goodbye, long friend. What? Was that the leader? My target to capture him and his things, his precious bird crystal and the others. I know, it's going to be a fight. Ow! Hey, stop that! He's gone inside a bird city. Ow, ow, ow! Oh, I'll get you. Huh? Not if I blow you away. I was not going to do that. Now do. Ready? Oh no, I don't like the sound. Oh, that button squeaking. But, ouchie! That hurties. Hey! The evil cow. You call me? Have you ever seen my Bird City Tortuga angry mode? Bird City Tortuga angry mode. Row! 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 Go! Tortoise attack! Wah! Ouchie! Mommy! Wow! Okay, now stop. Doo-doo. Well, we really scared him out. Looks like. Yeah. He was really shivering. Yeah, because of the Tortuga Bird City Tortuga Angry Mode. I bet he did enjoy it and scared. I wish we were out of villains. Yeah, then we could relax. Yeah. Ugh. But I'm still here. I'm still going to go back to the bird city. Hoopla! Oh, so you want to see it again? Diddy? Not again. Wow! Wow, wow! Wow! Ow! Ah! Ouchie! Ah! Retweet! Retweet! Turtle attack! Turtle attack! Wow! Ouchie! I just flew into the garbage. Well, the next time the villain came, we will scare him away. Right? Yeah. With Bird City Tortuga Angry Mode. Wow! Okay, now transform to big old Bird City again. Right? I guess. Now, only for adventures and defensive, we will only use the Tortuga. We will only transform the bird city when we need defense and we have to go in adventures to find out more about this huge world. Yep, correct, Flamingo. Anyways, when the villain's work is done, let's just relax by standing. I'm just going to relax by standing. Okay, as you say, Red Parrot. Ah, why are you acting like Red Parrot is the captain? Of course, he's not the captain. I am. Yeah, I know. Well, yeah, well. What do you want? Well, ha, good one. Why did you just say well out of nowhere? Oh, speaking of nowhere, the final stage of the thunderstorm already started out of nowhere. Yeah, I know. Ooh, look at that touchpad. Ooh, that one was giant. Hey, was that just Dosha's grandfather? Oh, hi Dosha's grandfather. Hello. Okay, he's such a kind man. Yeah. Well, looks like time to end the video. Okay guys, looks like now we are ending the video. Subscribe, like and hit the bell icon to our channel. And we will see you tomorrow in Thunderstorms hitting the bird city with rain. Part 10. Part 10. See us in that video. We will see you tomorrow. Don't worry, it will be quick. And I'm not lying. It will be fun. Fun than today. Thunderstorms hitting the bird city with rain part 9. Okay, now I'm flying out like a normal pigeon. Woo, woo, woo. Cuckoo, cuckoo, cuckoo.